Are you ready to take the next step in your education and apply to California State University Dominguez Hills for your master's degree? We're here to walk you through the process, step by step. Step 1. Review admission requirements. Before you start, check the program's admission requirements on the program website and gather all necessary documents. Be sure to note the application deadline. Step 2. Start your application. Go to Cal State Apply at calstate.edu/apply. Select the term you're applying for and click Apply. Step 3. Create an account and set up your profile. If you're new, create an account. Otherwise, sign in with your existing Cal State Apply credentials. Step 4. Set up your extended profile. As a graduate applicant under degree goal, select second bachelor's degree and beyond, then graduate or professional's degree. Step 5. Choose your program. Go to Add Programs and search for your program by name or keyword. If multiple listings appear, click on each one to view full program details and identify the differences, helping you select the options that best suits your needs. Click the plus button to add it to your application. Step 6. Fill out the application. Provide your personal information, academic history, and any supporting information. Step 7. Upload program requirements if applicable. Some programs require additional materials such as personal statements, resumes, or letters of recommendation. Be sure to upload all requirements accordingly. Step 8. Review, submit, and pay application fee. Double check your details, submit your application, and pay the application fee. Step 9. Request official transcripts. Request official transcripts from all colleges or universities you have attended. You must provide one official transcript from each post-secondary institution. Have the transcripts sent electronically from the issuing institution to the CSUDH Office of Admissions and Records. Final reminders and next steps: meet the deadline, ensure all required steps are completed, including requesting transcripts before the application deadline. Have questions? Contact your program's department for assistance. Program contact information can be found on their website. Track your application. After submission, watch for emails from the CSUDH Office of Admissions and Records with instructions on logging into the My CSUDH portal to track your application status. That's it! Now you're on your way to joining the CSUDH graduate community. We look forward to reviewing your application.